going YouTube? My name's Blake Yarbrough and welcome back. Today we're taking a look at an upcoming release, the Nike Air Presto Hello Kitty. Now this sneaker has already seen a few releases. It released on Sanrio's website, which was I think done on May 10th. And then I actually picked up this pair locally from Wish Atl, so shout out to Wish. I got there super early in the morning. I didn't want to miss getting this pair. Now there's not a lot of resale on these, but there is a lot of history when it comes to this sneaker, which I want to talk about briefly. Let's go ahead and look at the box. The box is amazing. This is an amazing box. It's done in a matte white finish, and you can see the Hello Kitty bow right there with the university blue swoosh, and it's all outlined in a matte black, which makes it look like animated to me. I really like this box a lot. It's a great box, and this one's in great condition. Inside the box, you've got special paper, which looks awesome as well. You've got Hello Kitty's head, as well as the swoosh and bow tie. And then if you actually look inside the paper right here, you can see Hello Kitty winking right inside there. Really cool box. I always like to see Nike go above and beyond when it comes to packaging. I've said that 1,000 times. This box, they knocked out of the park. And like I said, this shoe has a lot of history. The Nike Air Presto originally released in the year 2000, which I was in elementary school at the time, and I know a lot of my friends and I had Prestos in middle school once our feet got a little bit bigger. But this shoe right here is one that is super historic. In 2004, which would have been Hello Kitty's 30th anniversary, Steven Smith was commissioned to design a Hello Kitty Presto for Sanrio. He designed several iterations. One of my favorites is the black and gray and blue pair. Those are absolutely insane. There's supposed to be about 4 or 5 different colorways. I'll pop it up here on the screen from his Instagram. And apparently they were planning to make about 500 pairs of each. However, that didn't happen. And so there's only maybe about 60 pairs in existence. Very, very rare sneaker. Truest Hawaii I actually saw has maybe like 4 pairs, which is insane. But this was supposed to be a very limited release back in 2004 to commemorate Hello Kitty's 30th anniversary, and it actually never happened. And so this year, 2022, Nike is actually bringing that sneaker back in a way. It's a different sneaker, but I think it's very, very cool. I love the colorway. It's university blue, black, and white, which if you were to take off the Hello Kitty branding, this would be an amazing Presto. Just all university blue with the white and the black details. But let's go ahead and take a look. The outsole is done in black, which looks nice. I'm glad they didn't do like a white outsole that would just get trashed really quickly. So a black outsole there. On the midsole, which is white, you've got that black Nike swoosh, as well as on the inside of the foot. I've always liked the Presto having that swoosh on the inside of the foot. And then you've got this matte white cage right here. Looks very nice. The rear of the sneaker is one that I want to show you guys. That looks amazing. You've got a custom molded heel cup or heel counter right there with Hello Kitty's face. That looks incredible. The sock liner is something I want to show you guys. Sock liner is done in a black velour, so a very, very soft sock liner. And then the upper, you've got this Hello Kitty print that is unique on each pair, so no 2 pairs are the same, which I think is cool. And it's done again in university blue with the Hello Kitty print done all over. I've actually got the other one up here on my wall. If you're new to the channel, any sneaker that I have up here on the wall this year is a giveaway sneaker, so I'm giving away a pair of Hello Kitty Prestos in your size. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, video, follow me over on Instagram, and also follow Secret Sauce. So shout out to Secret Sauce for sponsoring this, and the winner will be picked on June 20th. This is the other shoe right here. So as you can see, if I hold them up next to each other, the patterns don't line up. And if you were to get another pair, those wouldn't line up either. I like when they do things like that. It makes it a lot more fun because you never know exactly where the pattern might be. You've got the Hello Kitty bow right there on the top of the tongue. That looks really cool. Just plain white laces with red aglets. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is the insole. The insoles actually line up. I've already taken one of the insoles out, the other one I haven't. They are glued down a little bit. Let's see if I can get it. So if you take the insoles out, it actually lines up to make a picture just like that with a rainbow and clouds. It's just a really cool tribute to Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is one of the most iconic characters, I think, ever. And so it's cool to see Nike, you know, honor Hello Kitty, which if you didn't know, Hello Kitty is actually a personified character, Kitty White. So there's a lot of history, guys, in these sneakers. I know in today's sneaker market, sneaker culture, sneaker community, you just see the price, the resale. That's what a lot of people see. And so that's why specifically I wanted to make a video on this sneaker to honor creators like Stephen Smith, characters like Hello Kitty, and then how Nike is able to take pop icon, pop culture, and turn that into a sneaker like this, or like the ones that were supposed to release previously. That is so amazing to me. That's what I like about sneakers personally. These aren't reselling, and that's fine because I think the shoe is amazing. I'm gonna be happy to wear it. We will be doing on feet here in just a second, but I just think that that's what's important, and that's why I wanted to make sure I made this video to highlight, because yeah, they might not be reselling, but that's not what sneakers are about to people like me and probably people like you. It's more about the love of sneakers and just seeing some of our favorite characters or favorite stories come to life in a pair of shoes. That's super cool. Let's go ahead and jump into the on feet. Alright guys, what did you think of how these look on feet? I love this sneaker. I'm not even a Hello Kitty fan, to be honest with you. I'm not a Hello Kitty fan. I know Stephen Smith is a huge Hello Kitty fan. I've watched interviews with him, and I think that's why he was basically selected to make this sneaker, because of how big of a Sanrio and Hello Kitty fan he is. So shout out to Stephen Smith for originally creating such a special sneaker, and then now we get a new version here in 2022. As you saw, I'm actually wearing the Hello Kitty shirt, which the back and everything of this shirt is phenomenal. There is actually a hoodie, sweatpants, and another t-shirt done in University Blue, and it's really cool apparel. Like, I don't know why I'm so attracted to it, but I really like this sneaker. The packaging is absolutely perfect. Like, this is one of the best boxes of the year in my opinion. As far as just a general release sneaker, this is one of the best boxes easily in my opinion, and I really like this sneaker a lot. I'm giving away a pair, guys. If you didn't hear it earlier in the video, all you have to do is just like this video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, as well as Secret Sauce. The details are down in the description. Thank you guys for supporting me and watching this video. If you liked it, let me know down in the comments, and with that, we're on to the next sneaker.